How to disable OneDrive on your Windows. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open your PC and at the bottom, click on the arrow-like icon. In there, you'll find cloud-like icon. Click on it. It will open OneDrive. Click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen in here. Then, you'll find all these options pop up. Simply click on Settings, which is the first option. After you click on Settings, you will find this kind of screen. In here, click on Unlink this PC. After you click on Unlink this PC, click on Unlink Account. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to disable OneDrive on your Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.